Livity International is dedicated to serving up equal parts style and sustainability. Livity is quality design, eco-friendly materials and unique prints. But Livity does more than make cutting-edge clothes with the environment in mind. Livity empowers local artisans around the world, ensuring that people who manufacture the garments are well paid, treated fairly, and work in a safe environment. Each Livity piece infuses artistic elements from rich and diverse cultures, from Jamaica to Sri Lanka, to Mexico to Mother Africa. Livity blends fair trade practices and eco-textile fabrics with natty designs, ensuring that everyone benefits, from customers to farmers and artisans to Mother Nature herself. Join the movement at livity.org.